You ever wake up and realize your life's been on autopilot? Same mornings, same faces, same excuses, 5 years gone, and you can't tell what actually changed. Good. That sting you just felt? That's the alarm clock your soul's been hitting snooze on. Because the next 6 to 12 months could make your old life unrecognizable. This isn't another new year, new me thing. This is the reboot manual your brain never got. The same system top performers use to compress 5 years of growth into one. But before we begin, one truth. Reinvention isn't pretty, it's lonely, it's awkward, it's uncomfortable. Because before you become someone new, you have to outgrow who you were. Every transformation starts with one brutal truth. You're not who you think you are. You're who your habits decided you'd be. The version of you right now is just a collection of routines, comfort zones, and automatic reactions. Most people try to change their results instead of changing their identity. They swap goals, but keep the same operating system. So before you reinvent your life, you have to delete the old character. If you're serious, drop in "I'm starting now" in the comments. That's your first micro commitment to the new you. Phase 1. System reset. Before you rebuild, grab a hammer. For the next 30 days, your only job is to spot the cracks. When do you scroll to escape reality? When do you say yes just to avoid disappointing people? When do you quit the moment progress stops being exciting? Don't fix it yet, just see it. Awareness swings the first hammer, because once you see the cracks, you'll never fit back inside the old walls again. Phase 2. Rebuild. Reinvention isn't about adding more to your life, it's about chipping away what doesn't belong. You're the sculptor, not the marble. The masterpiece is already there, it's just buried under noise and expectations. For the next 60 days, silence the noise. Every morning, give your brain 3 commands. Remember what's good. Decide what matters. Do the thing you're avoiding. Do that daily, even when it feels unnatural. And watch a masterpiece appear one disciplined chip at a time. Phase 3. Habit automation. Here's the truth. Most people don't have a discipline problem. They have an emotion dependency problem. They think they need to feel ready to act. But disciplined people act without permission. Set non-negotiables, not wishes. I go to the gym at 8 a.m. I edit for 30 minutes daily. Not when I feel inspired. Every checkmark is proof that you can trust yourself again. Once you start stacking wins, you'll realize consistency isn't hard. Inconsistency just had better PR. Phase 4. Mental reprogramming. Your life expands or contracts based on what you believe you deserve. You're not stuck because of talent. You're stuck because of your identity ceiling. So rewrite your story. Say it until your brain believes it. I'm the kind of person who finishes what they start. I follow through even when no one's watching. The brain doesn't care what's true, only what's repeated. It's not fake it till you make it. It's train it till you believe it. Phase 5. Flow state. Once your habits and beliefs align, momentum takes over. This is where consistency stops feeling like a grind and starts feeling like a glide. Protect your focus like it's currency. Turn your phone into a flip phone if you have to, because flow isn't found. It's engineered. Create time blocks where nothing else exists. At the end of every day, ask yourself, what did I do today that my old self wouldn't have? That single question rewires your brain faster than any motivational quote ever could. Phase 6. Becoming your future self. Final stage. Integration. Your focus is sharp. Your systems are stable. Now think and act like your future self today. Before every decision, ask, what would the 12-month ahead version of me do right now? That's not visualization, that's identity rehearsal. Because transformation doesn't take time. It takes alignment. 6 months from now, you'll wake up and realize you haven't thought like your old self in weeks. You'll say no to things that used to tempt you. You'll look back and feel like you're watching an old movie that no longer hits. That's not luck. That's self-trust plus discipline. You stopped waiting to feel ready and started acting like someone worth betting on. Reinvention isn't about changing everything overnight. It's about changing direction and refusing to turn back. So which will it be? Same loop, or a life your old self wouldn't even recognize? If you're serious, start now. Because transformation doesn't start someday. It starts the moment you decide you're done being the same.